Hi, my name is Camden, and this is how you make a double-sided airplane. How are we going to hook it together? Like this, and do the same thing to this. Now, what are we going to do is we are going to hook them together and then take a stapler and then, okay, now let me take a stapler and then staple.
Push it really hard. You hold them, I'll staple it.
Okay.
You hold them, I'll staple it.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. And this is how he's going to staple it. Now, this is how you make a double-sided airplane. Now, for the final part is testing. That part is really good.